Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on tangent ratio. In the last video we explained the meaning of the cosine ratio. This video will explain the meaning of the tangent ratio. If we remember, tangent theta is abbreviated to tan theta. In the diagram to the right, we have drawn a right-angled triangle with the appropriate labels. We saw this in the previous video. So, we have theta here, and once theta is placed in that position, this becomes the opposite side, that becomes the adjacent side because it's next to theta, and of course that's always the hypotenuse because it's opposite the right angle. So tan theta is defined by a special ratio as follows. Tan theta equals opposite over adjacent. So the tan of theta is the length of the opposite side over the length of the adjacent side. We can use this formula to find the lengths of unknown sides in a right-angled triangle when we are given the appropriate information. The next slide has some examples. So here's example 1. Find the value of k in the following triangle, and we want the answer to 2 decimal places. So if we remember from the previous slide, tan theta equals opposite over adjacent. So if we look at the triangle, we have tan theta equals k over 18 centimetres, and that's the first line. If we multiply both sides by 18 centimetres, we have k equals tan 40 degrees times 18 centimetres. The calculator will help you to calculate this value at 15.10 centimetres. So the length of k is 15.10 centimetres, and we remember we wanted the answer to 2 decimal places. That's why we write it like that. For the second example, we're asked to find W. So again, tan theta is opposite over adjacent, and we want the answer to 2 decimal places. In this case, theta is 60 degrees, so tan 60 degrees is W over 12 centimetres. That gives us that line. If we multiply both sides by 12 centimetres, we get W equals tan 60 degrees times 12 centimetres. If you put all that information into the calculator and work out the multiplication sign, that gives you 20.78 centimetres, and that answer is to 2 decimal places. Though this video has introduced us to the tan ratio, and we've seen that tan theta is opposite over adjacent, and we've used 2 examples to show us exactly how the tan ratio is used to find an unknown side.